Welcome to another video, and we're here 7 miles from Sydney, Manly, beautiful Manly. And on this video we're going to walk along the Corso and over to the Manly beach. Hope you will join us. Enjoy. So it's been 4 years since we've been here at Manly, and who remembers the McDonald's that used to be there? It's gone. Just to enjoy my ice cream there. What was it, 50C ice cream? So we're here at Manly, 7 miles from Sydney, either using the fast ferry 22 minutes or the old Manly ferry, which currently only freshwater running. That one's 30 minutes. Freshwater runs every 2 hours, the last one of the day, 10 past 6. So we're going to cross over here and we're going to go to the Corso. The time is 16:36, Wednesday the 29th of March 2023. Temperature about 23 Celsius, around about 81 Fahrenheit. It's a beautiful day in Sydney. Always plenty of people just here as they're coming off the ferry. So Manly is full of either souvenir shops, restaurants, cafes. Beautiful place to come. So we've got a souvenir shop over there. Good beach towels, Australian beach towels. Tobacco station there. Looks like this one's currently empty at the moment. Plenty of water fountains to top up your water here in Manly. So today's been a pretty rainy day in Sydney, so I'm guessing there's not been many people on Manly Beach today. A lot of units actually closed here. So you've got Coles, which is local there. I think this was the main Coles supermarket originally. So yeah, the actual Coles supermarket here in Manly is actually gone. Amazing how things change. So a must-do trip when you come to Sydney is to come over to Manly and walk up the Corso here. Right at the top of the Corso will be Manly Beach. So we've got Manly Seafoods over here. They've got specials on today. So you've got fish and chips, only $14.90. Barramundi chips, $17.50. It's a pretty good deal. And just ahead of us here is the Manly Boat Shed. We've actually eaten there quite well a few times. They normally do a really good deal, steak for $10. I wonder if they're open tonight. That could be the place where we maybe have something. So yeah, they've got fish and chips, $10. Calamari and chips, $9. Let's have a look at what else they've got there. Rump steak, mashed veg, mushroom and gravy, $18. But it does look as though it's closed, but it does say there is comedy 29th. So starts at 8 p.m. So it looks like that's going to open at 8 p.m. tonight. But yeah, steaks from about $18 a head there. This one's called Super Emoji. You can feel the sun on my back, it's really, really warm. Got the church on the right hand side there. looking at the Ivanhoe Hotel. Nice little balcony up there. Looks like there's a lot of units for lease across there. This one's a new one, I've not seen this one before. Anita Gelato. They're selling ice cream there. The Chemist Warehouse. Some pretty good deals around there. And next to it is the famous Humphreys. So Humphreys is like stationers. You can get a lot of souvenirs in there as well. So t-shirts, towels, 2 for $60. Wow, things have actually changed. So it used to be so this used to be Hungry Jack's. Hungry Jack's is actually gone. And that one's now called Butterboy. Hot cookies, soft serves, milkshakes. So wow, I've sat there many times down by that window there and had super stunners. So that's gone. It used to be really popular. Over on the left there is the New Brighton Hotel. Who remembers right here in the centre there used to be seating area and restaurants. And it looks as though there's a lot of construction at the front of Manly Beach here. So a lot of clothing shops around here. Tommy Bahama, Oakley, Rip Curl, famous Manly seaside kebabs are still there. And you've got the Hotel Stain. They've got like a rooftop area, which is really good. So yeah, I wonder what they're doing at the top of Manly here. Okay, there isn't a Porto, so a Porto is pretty good. That could be on the cards tonight. They do some really nice spicy burgers, so that's actually new since I was last here. Last year meaning it's 2019 due to COVID. So Porto may be, I think, the place where we'll probably grab something to eat tonight. Chips and gravy, Manly Ocean Foods, $7.50. It's pretty good. Starbucks coffee. So yeah, I think that tonight we might get an Porto and then come over here and just eat it and watch the ocean. That could be the thing to do. So the construction there, it says making the northern beaches even better. And you've got Wahlburgers. So Wahlburgers, I think, is quite a famous one in America. So we can have a look at that in a minute. See what the prices are there. It's quite a nice sitting out area. And you've got the restrooms over there at the front of Manly. And yeah, we've got the Tasman Sea that we're going to go and have a look at. Looks like there's quite a few surfers in there. Look at that, they're all surfing out there. Beautiful Manly beach. So we're looking north there. And the signs up saying dangerous currents today. And looking towards the south of Manly Beach. Lots of memories of sitting on the seats here, enjoying ourselves, just chilling, watching the world go by. So I hope you've enjoyed that beautiful walk on the Manly Corso tonight. If you've enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, and please subscribe to our channel. We will see you on the next video in Sydney, wherever that may be.